Walang pahinga? Required po ba ang rest day? Hello po ma'am sir, this is your friendly HR partner Jim. Pagod ka ba sa work? Usap po na tayo about work hours. Walang pahinga? Required po ba ang rest day? Alamin muna natin ang standard work hours ni Philippines. Ang normal work hours po ni Pilipinas ay 8 hours per day. Ang normal work week naman is 6 days or 48 hours, an option of a 5-day with 40 hours. Tanong, bakit may option na 40 hours? Para mag-match ito sa work arrangement ng ibang companies or sa mga work na flexible hours. So tanong, required po ba ang rest day? Oo naman. Oo naman. Article 91 of the Philippine Labor Code, si employee must have a 24-hour of rest for every 6 consecutive normal work days. What if may pinapatapos si bossing? Kapag ganyan, tandaan ang 8-hour rule. If sumobra ka 8 hours in a day, excluding rest periods eligible ka sa overtime. Article 87 of the Philippine Labor Code, overtime is computed per day at hindi total weekly hours. Tandaan, at work, there are situations na give and take. It is best na pag-usapan muna, pero if it becomes unreasonable or hindi na siya value-adding sa karamihan, we go back to the Labor Code. So this is your friendly HR partner, Jim. Like, follow, and share for more.